There is no question that in today's market, short sale listings are the norm. The problems with short sales are well known by real estate professionals. Unresponsive and difficult banks, buyers who back out, and hours wasted on the phone, just to name a few. At Walkaway Today, we provide a unique buying solution that avoids these problems entirely. We protect your time, your commission, and you become the hero for your client, helping them out of a very difficult situation. To submit a listing to Walkaway Today, you first need to become a registered affiliate. Don't worry, it's easy and free. Simply fill out the information below and click Submit. That's it. You will then get access to the affiliate-only section on the very next page. Simply follow the instructions there to submit your listing for purchase. Once you are registered, you will be assigned to your very own account representative and be given their direct phone number and email address. They will also call you to introduce themselves and answer any questions. Each of our account representatives has worked with literally hundreds of owners and affiliates. They are in a unique position to help you close each transaction. Submitting your listing is simple and fast. The entire process is done online and only takes minutes. After you register below, just follow the instructions on the next page. It's really that easy. We also provide a wealth of support and training materials for you to help you be as successful as possible. Everything from training calls to sample marketing materials and video walkthroughs, it's all provided to you free of charge. So are you ready to get that listing sold? To register and submit a property, simply fill out the information below and click Submit. That's it. I'll see you on the other side.